This is your host, Dr. Sanshana. Sorry, my hair is wet. Kinda, a little bit of it. Happy birthday to you, Dante Sariin. Kagda Nagya-chan Senpai. Shibuya Kanon! Come on! Happy birthday! Good luck. I hope you have a good future and good career and good health. I hope you're good luck. Little bit. Little, sorry, a little bit. Don't worry, I got you. Don't cry. Don't cry naman. Let's see. A little bit sad. We're gonna move on. Have a, again, good luck, good career, and good health to you, Dante Sari. Maybe I'll go. Gucci pants. Super Gucci pants and super Gucci pants. Dante Sari. Good luck. Bye. This is a producer of Air Multiverse. Thank you.